The origin of dosa starts in Udupi, coastal Karnataka. A temple kitchen long before dawn. A Brahmin cook is fermenting rice, not for food, for alcohol. A drink he isn't supposed to want, but the fermentation fails. The batter is too thin, too sour, no alcohol, just a sour, bubbling mess. He should throw it out, pretend it never happened. He doesn't. He takes a ladle of that failed batter and pours it onto a hot stone. He doesn't know what he's made. He doesn't know it will outlast empires. He just knows it tastes better than anything he was trying to make. He doesn't know it yet. Nobody does. But that single pour just started something that will outlast every empire on this subcontinent. Want to know what dosa actually means? In Sanskrit, dosha means sin. Fermentation was impure, tied to alcohol, forbidden. And yet, that's exactly how dosa is made. A sinful process, a guilty recipe. They named the dish after its transgression. And then, it became the most eaten breakfast on the subcontinent. From sin to staple. That's quite a promotion. But dosa didn't come from nowhere. Its ancestors are ancient. Charu and Purodasha. Rice offerings cooked over fire, thousands of years old. Tamil Nadu claims the oldest version, the Mel Adai, a thick, soft rice pancake from Sangam literature, 1st century. Historian K.T. Achaya confirmed it. But what you eat today, that's Udupi. Historian Thankapan Nair traces the thin, crispy, fermented version to coastal Karnataka. Same grain, same fire, completely different dish. Tamil Nadu planted the seed. Udupi sharpened the blade. Fermentation transformed the grain. What the body couldn't absorb, bacteria unlocked overnight. Added urad dal, made dosa rich in protein, crunchier and more flavorful. No microscopes, no labs, just a clay pot, 2000 years before pasta.
For centuries, dosa had no written record. It passed from cook to cook, mouth to ear, hand to hand. Nobody thought to write it down. Until a king did. 1126 CE. Karnataka. King Someshwara III writes the Manasolasa, an encyclopedia of royal knowledge. And tucked inside 1,820 verses, one recipe, dosaka. Fermented rice batter, spread thin, flat griddle.
Sound familiar? A dish born in sin, archived by a king.
Each region left its fingerprint. Tamil Nadu, thin and crisp. Karnataka drowned it in butter, bene dosa. Mysore red chutney still sizzling. Hyderabad stuffed with masala. But the real revolution was Udupi. Cooks from the Krishnamata temple opened vegetarian restaurants across India. Simple, clean, everywhere. And every one of them served dosa.
Hundreds of Udupi restaurants, then thousands, from Kerala to Kashmir. Wherever they opened, dosa followed. A Brahmin temple dish became the common man's breakfast. A temple town's kitchen staff quietly turned a regional dish into a national institution. And if there was an Udupi restaurant, there was dosa. There was always an Udupi restaurant. Then, Indians migrated. London, Singapore, Nairobi, New York, and the batter went with them. Sometimes literally fermenting in suitcases on international flights. You can learn a recipe from a book, but fermentation can't be copied. It's inherited. It's the exact sourness your mother's kitchen had, the exact rise, the exact smell that hits you before you've even opened your eyes in the morning. Every family's batter tastes slightly different because every family's bacteria are slightly different. Your kitchen, your climate, your hands. Dosa didn't just travel the world, it carried home in every bubble. 2,000 years and 6 continents, and nobody has found a better way to make it. The temples that condemned fermentation, they serve dosa as prasadam now. Every morning, the sin became sacred. Nobody designed this, no committee, no chef, no plan. A cook's mistake, a forbidden process, a name that means sin. And 2000 years later, it's sacred, it's universal, and it's breakfast in over 1 billion homes. Some mistakes don't need correcting. One more thing, that sambar sitting next to every dosa, its lentils came from Gujarat, its chilies came from Portugal, its name might belong to a Maratha king. The most South Indian dish on your plate, assembled from everywhere. That story, next time on the food trail. I'll see you on the trail. Do subscribe and like our channel.